probably because I'm filming. Are we on the ground yet? Problem with the spoilers.
No problem.
Yeah, it's probably that. Because they don't put speakers in the luggage.
Make sure you can see your seatbelt, okay?
Or taking my arm up like this. That noise is the flaps. The flaps are down all right. I'm gonna take this thing off. It's getting hot. Yeah, because it's so uncomfortable. sounds really annoying, but I can handle it. I don't know why they're putting down like more than one flap. It's pretty foggy. Well, that's because we're in a cloud. Whoa, there's crazy snow down there. Whoa. I'm actually kind of scared. I haven't seen that much snow in ages. Me neither. All of a sudden feel the plane just drifting down. You can't even see the wing. Yeah, that's... Oh, now you can. That's because we're not in a cloud anymore, dude. Can you believe the fact that we flew through a bunch of clouds? Move your head. I literally can't see out the window. Oh, that's just the engine. I thought that was a flat, but that was an engine. No, I literally can't see. I know, dude, but you'll see it on video on YouTube. Wait, this is where SAS Flight 7, where we're coming in from, this is where SAS Flight 751 crashed. Yeah, and I can actually see the crash site. Yeah, but it's not there anymore. It used to be there. Yeah, that's because it happened like 1980 something. 1990.
Whoa, that's a heck of a lot of snow. Like, duck your head.
I cannot see the camera then.
Well, you can, dude. Like, lift it. Lift the camera so I can see. That's a lot better. Your arm's kind of in the way, but it's okay. A little bit longer.
I need to move it down.
Higher.
I need to move it down, like right here. Oh, jeez. Wow. Wow. That was hard. That was so hard. That was hard.
It wasn't that hard, but it's
What?
just noisy.
Yeah, because this is 787. What do you expect?
We're doing 70 right now. 52.
Wow.
Sweet boys.
37. Yep.
Our first time in Stockholm.
26.
It's time to lift up the flaps.
We're doing 14 mph right now. Miles per hour.
That would be like. I actually don't know how.
9.
I don't know how many knots that is.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Stockholm Sweden Airport. For the local time, it is now 1 in the afternoon. So we'll see if we just about us. The altitude from all the luggage until the aircraft has come to the front and the bottom time has been switched off.
Whoa, Air France.
Careful when opening the override locker.
Man, this airport's cool.
And please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Smoking is not permitted until you have reached the smoking area outside the terminal.
I've never been there.
As a member of our team of Norwegian Boeing, receive cash points every time you fly.
Look at
And
this
now
cool
start earning
air.
your way to this concentrate flight. For more information, please log on to NorwegianReward.com. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for flying Norwegian and look forward to seeing you on board again in the near future. Once again, thank you and have a wonderful day.
This is going to be a few times I've actually seen an SAS plane. This is actually a few of my first time seeing SAS.
SAS.
Do you know what SAS stands for?
Scandinavian Airlines, yes, I know.
No, Scandinavian Airlines System. Air System. Or it can be something like that. That was actually like one of the hardest landings I've ever felt. Like literally that Norwegian plane just came down like boosh, just landed. It scared me. And I never seen so many snow in my life. Hey Dad?
I got some tweezers, I think.
Dad,
What?
where's our hotel? Is it at the airport?
No.
Heck no.
Why do you say that, dude? That's so weird.
We'll get there. We'll get there, don't worry.
What is that, Air France?
Yeah, Air France Airbus A321. Surprising, I haven't seen one of those in like 18 hours. At Las Vegas, I saw an American.
That was apparently one of the longest flights I've ever had.
Well, you had a longer one. It was 12 minutes. It was 12 hours.
No, it was 13 hours. Right?
A little bit that long.
Is it none?
This is further than Copenhagen, so this is the longest non-stop flight you've ever had.
Because is Sweden past Denmark?
A little bit.
How long are we gonna be over here? Are we like waiting for a plane? I know. I'm not a 2-year-old and don't know anything about planes. I know everything about them.
Actually, you don't know everything.
Not really everything, but I know a lot. I'll miss this airplane.
So here's Copenhagen right here. Here's Stockholm right here.
Oh, wow, so you're totally right.
A little bit
Stockholm.
further east.
Reykjavik is farther, right?
Correct, yeah.
That's my first time. This is my first time seeing an ATR-72. There's a Scandinavian air system, ATR-72. Is it seriously starting to snow? Hey, Dad, I want to play in the snow.
You'll have a chance, I promise.
Because it's snowy outside, and I like snow. Dad, you know how much I love snow, right?
I'll note that.
What?
Sure.
Yeah, you obviously know I love snow. Whoa, Pegasus Airline! Pegasus Airline. I never seen one in person before.
Okay, so
It's with a yellow
so
tail.
Pegasus are real.
No, they're not real.
I'm just joking, dude.
It's just the name of an airline.
You can tell it's joke.
I knew you were gonna say that. And that's my first time seeing an ATR-72 in person. And Tim, if
I
I
see another Norwegian.
yeah, but it's a different type of Boeing. It's a Boeing 737. 787 Dreamliner. Whoa. Scandinavian 737.
Haven't we already gone on a
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was on our way to Copenhagen.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Dad. Have you guys been on a Scandinavian Airlines plane? Well, this is going to be our first time then. Wow. This vacay is fun. And if you don't know what vacay stands for, it stands for vacation. There's the ATR-72.
Yeah, I noticed something wrong in wait for it to change to like the front, then you'll see what I mean. If you look at the engines, you can see that they're not spinning. If you look closely, they're not spinning. If you look closely. Wait, sorry. Look, they're not spinning.
That is weird. That is actually very weird. I've never seen a plane fly with no engine spinning.
That is possible with some planes.
Yeah. Maybe in the future though, but not today. Hey guys, we're gonna park right next to a Scandinavian Airlines 737. And it has no winglets. That's the one of the first times I've seen a Scandinavian Airlines without any winglets. I feel like this video is gonna be like 30 minutes. Come on now. You got it. You got it. Just move very slowly.
How about so?
Oh, really? We're already here. Wait, guys, are we at the...
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Oh, that explains my question.
Please sit down.
Hello folks, please remain seated, seatbelts fastened. We're just going to get towed onto the bay here. Sometimes these guys are a little bit bumpy and then we don't want you falling on your heads. Thank you.
The engines are not spinning. Look very closely, they're not spinning. Thank you for choosing Norwegian. Well, whatever it said. Hey Dad, did you vote for Norwegian Airlines?
I don't believe that Norwegian Airlines was ever in an election, so I didn't have the ability to vote for them.
Because I watched a few videos last night on Norwegian on the plane, and it said vote for Norwegian. Choose Norwegian Airlines.
Hey, please turn it down. I'm not halfway across the world.
I had no idea what you mean by that compliment.
Hey, Dad, in my left brain?
No, you're on the right wing.
No, I said in my left brain.
I think your whole brain is better.
I had no idea what that means anyway, so I'm never going to understand. Look very closely at the window. It's just brightening because of the power of one button on the 787.
Starving.
Changes.
Okay, pack up your Kindles into your backpacks, please. Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, I was gonna... There we go. My headphones and my charger. Where's my headphones and my charger?
Gentlemen, your backpack.